Good day, everyone. I'm Mr. Sandra Rivera, and this is T Side 2. This is about work, energy, and power. In our daily life, we use the word to work very frequently, and it means some job. But in science, it has a specific meaning. When force is used on an object and it moves through a distance, we say that work is done. For example, when a man lifts a weight to a certain height from the ground, the muscular force which he exerts does work against the force of gravity. Work is done when a load is lifted, when we lift our body above the ground, when we climb stairs, throw a ball into the air, or even when we open a door or crack a nut. So it simply words when force is applied on a body to make it move through a distance against the force of gravity, work is done. Work is always involves overcoming some opposing forces. Secondly, when we push some heavy object like a box, we work against the frictional force. So, the resistance is either against the force of gravity or the frictional force. Measuring work. It is important to consider how work is measured. When a body is lifted from the ground, work, as we have said above, is done against the force of gravity, and the amount of work is done will depend on the height through which the body is raised. We are therefore concerned with the force as the distance through their acts. Thus, the measurement of work involves the units of force and distance. In other words, the work done is proportional to both the applied force and the distance through which the forces acts. Therefore, work is equal to force times distance. Energy, capacity or ability to do work is called energy. To do any work, energy is used. A body is said to possess energy when it is capable of doing work or overcoming resistance. This work and energy have a strong relationship. Energy is spent when work is done. Energy is the stored capacity to do work. The three main sources of energy are the sun, the atom, and the earth's hot interior. Power, in simple term, power is the rate of doing work, the rate at which the work being is expressed by the amount of work is done. In other words, it also means the rate at which energy is being consumed. If the rate of energy consumption is fast, so the power will be also higher. And that is all. Thank you.